All right, so these are different GPS devices. I'm not that familiar. I mean, I know what they are, but I've never worked with them before. That's Magellan. This one is Maestro. I don't know if they have any specific numbers to that. Yeah, there's some serial numbers. Okay, let's see. Yes, so it says, okay, that's 6. Magellan Maestro. And 4250. All right. Oh, it seems like it's actually Windows CE based. Wow. Okay. Interesting. I did not know that. All right. So let's, and again, that also uses the same, where it is. Yep. Mini USB connector. Okay, I don't see anything, but we are drawing a little bit of power, so I guess that's good. Okay, so we're booting up. All right, nice. It says untested. Well, that's incorrect anymore. We are testing it right now. All right. Okay, so that also needs to update, and I don't think I can get out of that. Okay, so if we actually disconnect the cable, what would happen? So screen seems to be working, and power obviously is working, even battery is working even somewhat. So that's great. Okay. All right. Is touch screen not working?
AAA roadside assistance.
Okay. So I think it's just a delay. So it seems to be.
Next.
Yep. Nice.
User options.
All right. So touch seems to be working. All right, and it's actually when looking the satellites. I don't think there's such a function to see that in Garmin's, but okay. So apart from the update, seems to be working. All right, so I tested some more of this Magellan Maestro GPS unit, and yeah, everything seems to be working. So the thing that I've tried to do is try to update some software and the maps, more importantly, I guess. And the software, which is, well, currently most up-to-date from Magellan, says that both firmware and the maps are the latest, which I, well, don't quite believe, but that's what it is. Basically, there are no updates, at least via natural means, so to speak, without reflashing it with something else. So yeah, let's see what we have here. And where was that?
User options.
So yeah, map information. Yeah, unlike Garmin, who actually managed to add year into their map versions, here I only know that, well, it's map version 29, and I have no idea how old is that, or it's probably pretty old, but I don't know which year is that from. But apart from that, yeah, everything seems to be working fine. And yeah, that's just one other thing I wanted to mention. As I said before, these devices run Windows CE version 5, I believe. And if I actually still have these devices after a while, which is possible, you actually can run Doom on these devices, apparently. I mean, at least in demo mode, because I don't think you can really attach input to that. But apparently it can run. Actually, it can show you the demo loop on these devices. Well, that is pretty cool. So we'll see about that. But apart from that, yeah, another device is done. It's functional. The map quality, again, I don't know. I'm not familiar with these devices, and these are fairly old, but yeah. Apart from that, it's all good. And with that, I'll see you next time.